Welcome back, Tomatermas, where we keep you in the fast lane with the newest rides and hottest revivals. Today we're talking about a legendary return that's sending shockwaves through the muscle car world. The 2026 Plymouth HEMI Cuda. That's it, right? The iconic name is back, and it's not just living off the legacy. This modern Cuda brings serious power, bold, retro-inspired design, and high-end technology all wrapped in a package that demands attention. It's Mopar muscle reborn for a new era. The design of the 2026 HEMI Cuda pays homage to the original, with a modern twist. Up front, you get a wide grille with bold horizontal lines, flanked by slim LED headlights and a sculpted hood with functional dual scoops, just like the legends of the past. The stance is low and wide, with bulging fenders and aggressive body lines that scream performance. Around back, a clean black panel houses the signature LED taillights, and a quad-tip exhaust setup adds an intimidating finish. Standard wheels are 20-inch forged alloys, but you can go up to 22s with the performance pack. Plymouth, now under Stellantis, is offering wild color options like Plum Crazy, Vitamin C, Orange, Hemi Purple, and Matte Black editions that really lean into the retro muscle vibe. Inside, the HEMI Cuda feels like a muscle car, but doesn't miss out on comfort or tech. The cockpit is designed for drivers who love performance. With deeply bolstered sport seats, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and carbon fiber accents throughout. The center console houses a 14-inch touchscreen running Uconnect 6, paired with a 12-inch digital gauge cluster that shows everything from boost pressure to track times. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a 900-watt Harman Kardon audio system, ambient lighting, and dual-zone climate control all come standard on higher trims. Rear seats are tighter, but they're usable, and the trunk space is decent for a coupe with this much muscle. Performance is where the 2026 HEMI Cuda absolutely dominates. The base model starts with a 6.4-liter HEMI V8, producing 485 horsepower and 475 pounds-ft of torque, paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. But things get wild fast. The mid-tier trim uses a supercharged 6.2-liter HEMI, pumping out 717 horsepower. And the top-level Cuda Hellstorm trim pushes the limits with a 6.2-liter twin-screw supercharged V8, delivering a mind-blowing 807 horsepower and 707 pounds-ft of torque. Rear-wheel drive is standard, with all-wheel drive now available on select trims for better traction. 0 to 60 times range from 4.2 seconds in the base to just 3.3 seconds in the Hellstorm. Dodges, launch control, line lock, active suspension, and drag mode are all part of the package for those wanting to hit the strip or carve corners. For safety, it comes equipped with all the modern essentials: blind spot monitoring, forward, collision warning, lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and a performance-specific head-up display. There's also a 360-degree camera system, emergency braking, and over-the-air updates to keep everything fresh. It even features a valet mode to limit power when someone else is behind the wheel, and a custom drive mode setting to dial in your favorite setup. Prices for the 2026 Plymouth HEMI Cuda start at around $56,000 for the base 6.4-liter version. The supercharged 717 HP model begins around $68,000, and the Hellstorm trim with 807 horsepower pushes close to $85,000 when fully loaded. With its mix of raw power, aggressive styling, and modern tech, the new Cuda is ready to take on the muscle car throne once again. That's the full breakdown on the 2026 Plymouth HEMI Cuda. Let us know in the comments if this modern beast lives up to the legend. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay locked in to Motormaze for more nonsense car content. Catch you on the next ride.